I'm Mari Wilingan. I'm the second eldest daughter.
Who was Wilfredo Lagui to you?
Papa Will is my cheerleader and my mentor. Being a cheerleader, he was always my constant source of encouragement. He always believes in me, in my ability to reach my goal. I think that's the reason why back in school, I became an achiever. And also, he celebrates small victories, not only the big ones. As a mentor, he would always advise me in parenting. And also, when I have conflict with my siblings, he would always tell me to, being the eldest daughter.
What made your relationship with him special or different from others?
I have a lot of special moments with Papa Will. And the most special moment with him, I think, is every time I accompany him going to laboratory tests. We would wake up 5 a.m. in the morning and to avoid queue in the laboratory facility. So at that time, he was advised by the doctor to have laboratory tests at least once a week. So he would always tell me that, paano na lang anak, sabi niya. Naiyak na ako. Sabi niya, paano na lang kung wala ka? Sabi niya gano'n. Kasi he was always thankful. He would always express his gratitude to me that I always accompany him every week. And then I would tell him that, don't mention it back. It's my way of giving back the love and care that he gave me when I was young. So I really felt so lucky being with him. So I think that is the most special part of being with Papa Will.
Can you share a time when he made you laugh?
Yes. Papa will have this funny way of pronouncing words. He would always, for example, pizza, instead of saying pizza, he would say pizza. And so all of us would laugh. And also, there's also one thing, kumusta na kaya si Iggy? You call it Iggy, not Iggy. Like that. So we would all laugh.
How did he show love in his own way?
Papa Will is very expressive in showing his love to us, his children, in words and in action. He would always express that, I love you, anak, like that. And in action, he would always, if we want to request a recipe, for example, Pa, can you please cook igado? Then he would always cook igado for us or anything.
What is something he taught you directly or indirectly that still influences you today?
Papa Will taught me to persevere in life and never give up. He taught me to study well when I was young. Kasi sinasabi niya na yung education, ito lang yung pwede nilang pamana sa amin. So, yun, kailangan namin gawin yung best namin. Sorry for being emotional. Kasi yun ang lagi sinasabi na, nung bata pa kami, we have to study very hard para magkaroon kami ng magandang buhay in the future. Ganon.
What part of him do you recognize in yourself?
I think my being soft-hearted person, I can be tough and strong from the outside, but deep inside, I'm really soft-hearted, and I realized that being soft-hearted reflected from Papa Will, his tender heart.
What do you think he would want people to remember most about him?
I believe Papa Will would simply want people to remember him simply as a teacher. Not only in the context of sharing his knowledge to people, but also giving advice and inspiring other people around him.
What do you miss most about him?
I miss everything about Papa Will. I miss his hug. I miss our daily conversation. I miss serving him a cup of coffee in the morning. I miss walking with him around the subdivision. Those simple things na we do it routinely. So I really miss that from Papa Will.
How has his passing changed the way you see life or relationships?
From the passing of Papa Will, I have realized a lot. First, I realized that life is precious. They say to really understand life, you have to visit 3 places. You have to visit hospital to appreciate health. You visit prison to appreciate freedom. Visit cemetery to understand that material possessions is not really important. And the ground that we walk today is the roof that tomorrow, the roof. So the second realization is that the importance of family and a strong support system during the time that when Papa was really sick and the whole family is really weak, really needed the family support system. And it really touched me that the whole family is really very supportive. We didn't feel alone because they are there supporting us. It is really emotionally draining, financially draining, but still, they never left us. So I realized that family, through friends, and strong support system is really important.
If you were here now, what would you want to say or hear him say?
Papa Will, I want to say thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the sacrifices that you made for the family. For all the life lessons you taught me, for the advices that you have given me. I want you to know that I love you and I miss you.